Does anybody know what bird or animal is making this noise unless it's a man, person? Yeah, it's got to be a person. A banshee. What do you think, Sarah? What is that sound? Is that a bird or some kind of an animal? Or is it just a person playing games?